Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jody Cooking. Today I'm gonna make you some seafood boil. Prawns seafood boil. So this is my prawns. This is what it look like. It is in the shell. You can always remove the shell from it, but I prefer for it to be in the shell because there is so much juice gonna be in the shell. And I also have some smoked sashes, some corns, and some potato. This is the red potato, guys. You can use the other one, but a lot of people use this one, so I'm gonna use it as well. So this is my rest of my ingredients, guys. So here I have some seasoning. I have all-purpose seasoning. I have everyday seasoning. I have fish seasoning. I have garlic powder. I have black pepper. And I also have onion powder and parsley. And this is 1 spoonful of everything. Here I have some pepper sauce. You can use whatever pepper sauce you have. This is at least 3 spoonfuls. And I also have some butter. This is at least 4 spoonfuls, guys. 4 big spoonfuls. And some chopped garlic. At least 3 pegs of garlic. So I just cut it up. Just to get started, guys, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoonful of fish seasoning to my prawns and 1 teaspoonful of all-purpose seasoning just to get it going. Then I'm just gonna take my hands, because it's already washed, it's clean, and I'm just gonna blend it all in. I cut right here of my prawns, so all this sauce could get right in, and all the seasoning. So this is all finished, so I'm just gonna leave it to a side until I'm ready to cook it. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add some water. Just put enough water in your pot so your potato can cook. You don't want your potato to cook all the way through, but I will show you how mine is gonna look. So I'm gonna add some salt. This is 1 spoonful of salt. And I'm gonna also add some vegetable oil. And I'm gonna put my potato to my pot. Just take your time. And you're gonna leave it for at least 5 minutes. Just put your stove on a low heat and cover your pot also. So see you back. So now I'm gonna remove my pot cover. And I'm gonna add my corn and my smoked sashes. I cut my smoked sashes, guys, so this is what it look like. And I'm gonna put them to my pot. And you're gonna leave it for at least 15 minutes. Yeah, around 15. Yeah, 15 to 10 minutes, guys. Because you don't want your potato to be soft. So make sure you don't cook out your potato. Make sure you don't cook it out. You want it to still be firm. So see you back. So it's been 10 minutes, guys. So now I'm gonna check my potato. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is not too soft. So this is exactly how you want it. So now I'm gonna quickly remove it now. So now I'm gonna make my sauce. So here I have a pot on the stove. I use the same pot, and to my pot I'm gonna add my butter. And you just wait for it to melt. So after your butter has melted, you're gonna add your garlic. And you're gonna also add your pepper sauce. And you're also gonna add all your seasoning. And you're gonna leave it, guys, for at least 3 minutes on a low heat. Just continue to stir it. Smell amazing. So after 3 minutes, this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna give it a taste. Guys, that tastes amazing. You can taste all the spices, the seasoning. Amazing. I'm gonna add some lemon, some lemon juice. I'm just gonna add just half of a lemon. Let's give it a stir. And now I'm gonna add my prawns. And you're just gonna allow your prawns to cook for at least 5 minutes. Just pour all your sauce all over your prawns. So after 5 minutes, I'm gonna add my smoked sachets. Then I'm gonna also add my corn. That look amazing. Just take your time and just pour all the sauce all over your corn. That looks so good. Then I'm gonna add my potato. Then you're just gonna pour all this sauce all over. I might need a bigger pot. That looks so good, guys, and it smells amazing. So good. And you're gonna leave it, guys, for at least 5 minutes, and then it's finished. So guys, it is finally finished, and I'm just finish it off with some parsley. Guys, please make sure you like, share my videos, subscribe for many other videos. I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So I'm just plating up my seafood boil, and guys, it looks so good, it looks so yummy. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. If you do try this recipe, please comment below and tell me how you guys like it. That would be wonderful to hear if you guys do enjoy it. And please share it all over your social media to your friends and to your family. I will be really appreciate it. So I finished plating it up, and this is what it look like. All I'm doing, I'm just pouring the sauce all over it. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day. Until next time. Bye.